this letter to ALH, Minister so and so and so, okay, from Dharmendra Pradhan, Minister of Education, Government of India. Dear Shri ALH ji, thank you for your letter number ALH/M/PER/1/2025/11 dated 3rd April 2025. Enclosing herewith a letter from the President's Secretary and Northeastern Hill University students regarding removal of the present Vice Chancellor and appointment of the new Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. The matter has been sent to the concerned department for appropriate action. With regards, yours sincerely, Dharmendra Pradhan.
So, if you can put it in ministry,
Yeah.
you had written earlier. So, if
Yeah.
you could tell.
So, on the 3rd April 2025, I have written a letter and also forwarding the letter of the Northeastern Hill University Student Union, Nehu, and also the Khasi Student Union, Nehu Unit, regarding the removal of the present Vice Chancellor and the appointment of the new Vice Chancellor of Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. So the letter already sent it from my office, and this is the response has come today. Actually sent it on the 29th April 2025, but I have received today, and that the reply has come is like this: the matter has been sent to the concerned department for appropriate action.
Okay, but the thing is that the center had earlier also formed a committee.
All office, any office, all department, they have also their committee to look after the nitty-gritty of the department. Cannot be abruptly or decision be taken at as much as meant to. The decision has to be taken in very appropriately, no?
So, sir, there are also
We have taken very lightly, they will not reply to my letter.